Christene. Anyways, today we are going to be doing a DIY like mirror tray. Basically this can be like an extra like lazy Susan kind of thing to put in the middle of your table, or like to put your makeup on your vanity. Basically I've seen them for like $30 to $40 for these super extra like cute little diamond mirror trays, and I'm like, I could make that. We're gonna head to Joann's, pick up some crafts, and then head back here. Let's do this. So we're at Joann's and I found the mirrors. You guys can see they got so many different shapes and sizes of the mirrors. I think this size will actually be perfect for what I want because it's not like huge. Oh, there I am. But I think that'll be perfect. Okay guys, I am back with all of my ingredients for this mirror tray. I would have filmed more in Joann's, but there was like a little old lady that was like staring at me while I was like getting the mirror and filming for that. And I'm just like, I'm an awkward person, so I just like stopped filming. I need to get over that. But, so the next thing I wanted to show you guys that I was getting was this. This is a decorating cake table. You can get these as like a stationary, so where they don't swivel, but mine, I got the ones where you could turn it because I wanted my mirror tray to be able to turn. And then next after that, I just got these decorative little accents. This is what I'm going to be gluing onto the mirror to make it look more like a tray on the outside. And there's like big and small ones here, and they just look so dang glittery. I love it. So I'm just gonna alternate with that, and then I got some spray paint. I thought this was so cool. It's like a metallic chrome, and I was like, that would look so good with the freaking mirror tray. So I decided to get this so I could spray paint this, because basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be gluing this onto this to create that tray, and I thought the white just stood out a little too much, so we're gonna go spray paint that, and hopefully it turns out this cool chrome color. I've never spray painted with this kind of like metallic-y thing, so let's see how that turns out. Okay guys, we got it all spray painted. It looks super cute. It's perfect. So now we're just gonna take some trusty E6000 glue, and we're gonna glue the back of this mirror onto this tray. I want to say the nice thing about these mirrors is they already have like these spacers, so I think I will just basically put a bunch of glue on the spacers and in between, and then we'll stick it right on here. Okay, now that we're waiting for the base of the mirror to dry, which is going to take about 24 hours, I'm going to take out our accent to go around it. Because, like, look at all those. Look at all those. Oh my gosh, like an aesthetic. So, these obviously are pointed on one end and flat on the other. This is where the DIY can kind of get a little bit more creative. Obviously, if you wanted to glue these down, whoop. If you want to glue these down like Hershey's Kisses, just kind of like that, you are more than welcome to. I do suggest, like, I mean, while this is drying, you can still kind of mess with it as long as you're not, like, kind of get your pattern down. Just make sure that you have enough gems for exactly what you want to do for the tray. We're going to go from there. I'm going to try to basically lay them flat kind of like that and glue them on one of the flatter sides, and like just hope that the industrial glue will hold that. So come on an adventure with me in trying to figure this out. I also, as you guys can tell, I moved to a flatter surface for this part because like these kind of roll and slide everywhere. So I got my clear E6000 glue because I don't want the white showing up with this or it ruins everything. So we're gonna do with the clear. Hope this works out. And you know, you can always go plain Jane on this. If you like how this already looks, then you know, there's your final product. But I'm super extra, so we're gonna go for the extra look of trying to get these on here. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, you guys just see that? Like right there? Like that lighting? Ugh. It's so beautiful. So I'm definitely going to let this dry for 24 hours. But before I let it dry, I did get some like glue on the edges here, and I just don't want it to like drip over or anything. So I'm just gonna take some acetone and some Q-tips and just kind of clean it off. All right, and then after 24 hours, this will be ready to use. So I really want to use this for my vanity, just keeping all like my makeup on, or you can use this in the bathroom, or if you want to be super extra and show off your new glamorous mirror tray. This, like I said, if you wanted to get the one that spins, you could easily put this in the middle of your kitchen table. And that is it, guys. That is a DIY own mirror tray on a budget. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!